Running out of storage on your Nintendo Switch? If you want to start a game from scratch or clear old progress, you can delete save data for each game individually. Follow this easy step-by-step guide to do it safely. First, get your Switch at hand. From the home menu, select the gear icon to open System Settings. Scroll down and select Data Management. Now on the right side, scroll down a bit. Choose the option Delete Save Data. You'll see a list of games installed on your Switch. Select the game you want to delete save data for. If you have multiple users playing the game, you will have multiple save data options. So you can choose to delete them individually or just tap on Delete All Save Data for this software. Now just confirm your choice from here. But remember, this will permanently delete your progress for that game. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to delete save game data for Nintendo Switch game. It's perfect for starting fresh or freeing up storage. If this guide helped you, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more Switch tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.